All right, here we are with another great product by Bandletic. This is their new magnetic silicone watch band. So this is a two-tone version. You can flip this either way. I went with the gray and black version of this. If you can see the silicone up close, really nice detail. It almost looks like they're all separate pieces, three-dimensional look, but it's solid and really nice. I wore this for a couple of days like I usually do before I'll do a review on one of these bands to make sure I give you a great review and tell you how comfortable it is, what I think of it. This one's really comfortable. Magnets on this are extremely strong, stronger than any other silicone magnetic band I've had. And the funny thing is they actually give you band keepers to put on it, which you don't need. You can wear them if you want. They give you both colors, which is really cool. But I went with the gray and black because I like the gray against the titanium on the watch. Looks really nice. And obviously black, you can never go wrong. A lot of times when I go with the black, I'll put the black case on it, so it gives it a nice blacked out look. But yeah, this band is great. I'll show you what it looks like on the wrist. So you can see that's what the gray is going to look like against the titanium. And then there's the black. Black looks great. Very cool. Love these kind of straps, especially if I'm outside and sweating or it's hot. You know, you get the fabric ones and they can get pretty nasty through time. But with these silicone, they're really easy to wash, wipe down. Great for activities, things like that. But yeah, just another great strap. Really love this thing. And yeah, I want to thank Bandletic for sending this out to me so I give you guys a cool review, tell you a little bit about it. But if you're looking for something like this, this might be the answer.